Hey, welcome back everyone to RPT Automotive. Today we have a 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe and we need to do the oil life reset. So what you're going to want to do, you hit the start stop button till you get out of accessory mode. All your gauges will come on like that. We're going to go guest, hit start. I don't know why it makes you do that. So now we're at this screen here. Let me lock in focus a little better for you. Alright, so we're going to scroll all the way over till we get to... Oh, wrong way. Setup. Then we're going to click on Vehicle. Then we're going to click on Convenience. Then you see under Convenience here, it's going to give us service interval and oil change reminder. Remaining 0%. Service interval, let's see. We're going to reset the service interval because I did a tire rotation as well. And we're going to confirm that by hitting yes. And then down over here we're going to hit back. We're going to go oil change reminder and we're going to hit reset. And we're going to confirm that. Hopefully this has been helpful for everyone. Please don't forget to leave a comment and a like if it has, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.